Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we configured transportation contracts inside the Rates module. Now we move to restaurant contracts. From the System dashboard, go to the left-hand side menu, select Rates, then choose Restaurant. As always, the left-hand side panel shows all restaurant contracts. You can search using contract name, reference number, or validity dates to quickly find any contract. On the right-hand side, you will see the restaurant contract screen. Here, we define restaurant name, contract name, validity dates, and currency. Let's use this Excel example for Jordan Restaurant Contract 2026 and enter the rates step by step. To create a new contract, click New. Select the restaurant name. You will notice that the system allows you to select both hotel and restaurant accounts in this section. In our example, we choose Jordan Restaurant. The system automatically generates the contract name. To distinguish between contracts, we must add the year or any identifying detail, so we rename it Jordan Restaurant 2026. Now define the validity dates. From the Excel example, the contract is valid from January 1st, 2026 until December 31st, 2026. These dates are very important because the system uses them to determine which restaurant contract rates apply during quotation or reservation. Next, define the currency. According to the contract notes, all prices are quoted in US dollars, so we leave it as US dollars. Then click Save. Now let's add meal rates. From the Excel example, we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. To add a meal, click the green plus button. Select the meal type from the predefined meal categories. Let's start with breakfast. From the Excel contract, adult cost, 10 US dollars. Child cost, 5 US dollars. Now define the selling rates. For example, adult selling, 12 US dollars. Child selling, 7 US dollars. These selling rates will be reflected in the incoming module for restaurant reservation bookings and also in Quotation Model 2 as part of the selling rate, which we will explain in later videos. Now paste the meal description if provided in the contract, then click Save. Repeat the same steps for lunch and dinner. Now let's move to the toolbar options. New. Create a new restaurant contract. Save contract general information. Delete, permanently remove the selected contract. So be very careful when using delete. Duplicate is used to create a copy of the contract and make changes to the year and rates. Let's assume Jordan Restaurant sends a new contract for 2027 with a 10% increase in rates. Instead of creating everything manually, we can use duplicate. Change the contract name to Jordan Restaurant 2027. Define the number of seasons to be added to the validity dates, in this case, 1 year. The system will automatically shift the validation dates from 2026 to 2027. You can then apply a positive percentage if rates increased, a negative percentage if rates decreased, or duplicate with 0 values, which will create the contract with 0 meal rates. In our case, the increase is 10%, so we enter 10. Then click Duplicate. You will notice that the new 2027 contract is created with updated dates and adjusted prices. Getting back to the toolbar, Excel, export restaurant rates to Excel format. Attachments. Attach supplier documents or signed contracts. Refresh. Reload the page. With that, restaurant contracts inside the Rates module are fully configured and ready to be used in the quotation and reservation systems. In the next video, we will continue with Guides Rates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.